Financial forecaster here, guys, and today I'm coming with an L. An L we've taken today in my portfolio, and if you're looking up this video, you might have taken this L today too. So today we're talking about Xebec Adsorption. What are we doing with it? How are we playing this drop? And why has it dropped so much today? You want to see an ugly chart? That's an ugly chart. So without any further ado, let's go into the financial forecaster. Let's see what I'm doing with my portfolio, what I'm doing with these shares now that they're down 40% and over 50% on the year in this position. What are we doing? Xebec Adsorption, what happened? Financial forecaster. You gotta take the L sometimes. So here we go, here we go. All right, so earnings are in like 2 weeks. Everyone's getting ready for Xebec. We're watching Green Lane, we're watching Xebec. You know, these are some great socially responsible companies. I have to admit, Xebec was running hot, and we've seen it over the past couple months, but I don't think anyone saw this coming. A guidance cut, it came out before earnings. They were projected to make anywhere between 70 to 80 million, and they revised it down to 57 million. These were canceled contracts, margins a lot of this pandemic related stuff. And you know what? I'm still buying. I'm buying, ladies and gentlemen. I love my Green Lane, and I am definitely buying Green Lane at $2. But Xebec, I hate that I have to average down, but in an average down portfolio, when you're playing these more speculative small cap stocks, if you're not averaging down, why are you playing them? You're never gonna pick a stock and then have it reliably going up. If you're picking a stock for long term and you believe in that stock long term, then guys, average down. So if you have taken a cut on your Xebec, if you were in it at 10, 11, I share your pain. I understand. But now it's at 50%. I loved the company at 10. I thought it was a little overpriced, but I thought it had good headwinds or 10 tailwinds or whatever kind of wins. Obviously, not the case, but I still like the company long term. They've still got great growth in their sector. They still have great exposure, contracts coming in, investments they've made. Now, if you want to cut and run because you don't like this company, that is completely acceptable. I completely run. A lot of people sold today. They took their loss. They moved on. But for my portfolio and my investing strategy, I'm just going to keep buying. I'm not going to expose my portfolio too much to this company. I'm fairly happy with the dip today. I think $5.40 is a steal. It's a completely, like, the company is fairly priced right now. And fairly priced is a lot better than we got at 10. But if I were you, and I was looking to get in this space, and I was looking for a more well-managed company, I would say GRN. I'm holding both. I'm putting more into GRN than I am into Xebec at this point. But you can't, it's down over 30% today. If you're an average down investor, these are the days you can't be scared. If you have the plan to keep investing in a company, then when you get a dip like this, stick to your plan, don't panic, be reasonable, check your risk tolerance, and then move with that. So Xebec, you know, we'll see earnings when they come out. I'm making this quick reaction video because it is a bomb today. It has killed the portfolio today. You know, everything else is doing quite well. Still very happy with my Banxa position. And Xebec, man, you gotta move on these dips. This is why you read the news, especially if you're playing speculative stocks. Like if you're playing banks, you put it away, you don't worry about it. But I'm playing Xebec, which is XBC. Took a huge haircut today, way more reasonably priced today. So if you haven't gotten to Xebec yet and you've been looking for an entrance position, then when's a better time? You could wait till earnings, but hey, we don't know what's going to happen with earnings. The RSI is showing it's way oversold today, and it's already recovering from its $5 or $4.80 low from the today. So I bought today, I bought it $5.70, I bought at $5.30, and I bought at $5. And that is it for today. I've made that position. I'm very happy with it. So Xebec, socially responsible play, hydrogen, renewable gas, trying to decarbonize the earth. We're trying to save the earth here and be progressive with our money. And sometimes sometimes that hurts a lot. So for the financial forecaster and all you XBC shareholders out there, I feel your pain. I hope it gets better. Don't panic sell, don't panic buy, know what you're doing, know what your risk tolerance is. And you know what? Let's get rich together, guys. And this is all previous contracts. We're forward thinking, just like the market. So let's get rich together. Financial forecaster, XBC, taking the L. I'm gonna share my L's with you. Bye, guys.